Hi, today I'm showing you how to use Dolby Atmos or sound effects on your phone to enhance your audio experience, whether you're gaming, watching movies, or listening to music. I'll start with the Galaxy S22 Ultra, then I'll walk you through other Android brands and even iPhone. So stick around to find your phone and let's get that sound boosted. Okay, now here is how to enable Dolby Atmos on your Samsung Galaxy. You go start by going to settings and you tap sounds and vibrations and you tap sound quality and effects and you toggle on Dolby here. You toggle it on and optionally you can tap here and then you can set to auto, so automatically optimize sound whenever, so you can set it to auto, movie, music, or voice. Okay. For Infinix and Tecno phones, that is on most Infinix or Tecno phones, you go to settings, sound and vibration. You scroll down to sound enhancement or audio settings. You look for DTS sound or Dirac audio. You tap to turn it on and choose a mode like movie, music, or game. If you don't see it under settings, try pulling down the notification bar and look for a toggle like DTS or audio effects. For OnePlus phones, open settings, you tap sounds and vibration. You select audio tuner or Dirac audio tuner. Choose your preferred mode, dynamic, movie, or music. Some models may also have Dolby Atmos, especially the newer ones. For iPhone, go to settings, tap music, tap Dolby Atmos, choose automatic or always on. You can also enable spatial audio by going to settings, accessibility, AirPods or spatial audio, or check settings, control center, and hold the volume bar to toggle spatial audio while using AirPods Pro or Max. And that's it. Whether you're on Samsung, Tecno, Infinix, OnePlus, or iPhone, you can now enjoy richer, more immersive sound. Let me know in the comments which phone you're using and if you could hear the difference after turning it on. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for some tech tutorials. Catch you in the next one. Bye.